You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Hello, artists. Let's get set to draw another fabulous number block. To draw Numberblock 5, you'll need a piece of paper, a light blue pen, a dark blue pen, a pink pen, and a black pen.
High five!
We're going to start by drawing Numberblock 5's body, so we need to draw 5 blocks. Let's draw Numberblock 5 standing tall, one block on top of another. First, we're going to draw 5's bottom block. It's a square, so there are 4 sides and they're all the same length. Let's use the black pen and draw one across, one down, one back across, and then one up to where you started. 5 has 5 blocks, so we need to do this 4 more times.
I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks.
Great! Next, let's draw 5's arms and legs. We'll draw an arm like a squashed sausage on the left-hand side. That's one arm. Then we need 2 lines pointing upwards on the other side to make the other arm. What does it need at the end?
A hand.
Aha! That's right, 5. A line across the arm and then 4 fingers. Then we draw the thumb sticking up. 4 fingers and a thumb make 5.
5! 5 fingers!
Absolutely. So now 5's got 2 arms. And in the middle of the glove, we'll draw a little star with how many points?
5 points.
That's right. Draw 5 points on the hand and connect them together.
I love stars.
So now it's time for 5's legs. One little sausage under the bottom block makes 1 leg, and then another little sausage makes 2 legs. Now it's time to draw 5's face. She's got 1 round eye and 1 star-shaped eye. So we'll draw a circle in the top block and another little circle inside it, and now another circle like this and a little circle inside that one too. Then we'll go back to the first eye and draw a lovely star all around it.
Very good.
That's 2 eyes! And she has a nice smiley mouth just underneath, with a smaller smiley shape inside it. Excellent drawing! Now it's colouring time! Take your light blue pen and your other colouring pens and colour in Numberblock 5. Be careful to stay inside the lines. But I think there's something missing. Oh yes! 5's Numberling. Am I holding my pen the right way? 2 fingers and 1 thumb. That's the way that writing's done.
Down and around, then a line up high. High five.
Thanks, 5. Down and around, then a line up high. High 5. And now with the left hand. Down and around, then a line up high. High 5. Yes, 5. High 5 to the side. Up above, down below. Runs around. Too slow.
Faster.
High 5 to the side. Up above, down below. Runs around.
Faster.
Too slow. High 5 to the side. Up above, down below.
Faster.
Runs around. Too slow. High 5 to the side. Up above and down below. Runs around. Oh no! Too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say hooray for 5!